How to connect Phantom Wallet to Star Atlas. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to connect Phantom Wallet to Star Atlas. In order to do this procedure, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, go and log into your Phantom Wallet. When you're logged into your Phantom Wallet, so from the home page, you'll be able to see your in the top right. So from the home page, you could go ahead and press on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Next thing, you could go ahead and select manage extensions, or you could press on manage account. Here you could go ahead and press on add or connect wallet. Then you could select Atlas, or you could just go ahead and create import. You could go ahead and select create new account. After that, you need to go ahead and press on the create button. Now you need to go ahead and start with you can allow which site you can access to your Phantom Wallet, and then select here, and on all side, or like an example on a specific site, you could go ahead and add Star Atlas website. So that is how you could go ahead and add a Star Atlas website. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.